Project 2, Task 1. Configure macro settings to enable digitally signed macros only in the document. Configure macro settings to enable digitally signed macros only in the document. Okay, to do this, you click on the File tab, then you select the options, then here you select Trust Center, then on this page you select Trust Center settings. Okay, so macro settings, disable all macros except digitally signed macros. Disable all macros except digitally signed macros. Configure macro settings to enable digitally signed macros only in the document. Okay, that is done. Just close the dialog box, click OK, and click OK again. Okay, let's dock this top. Let's dock this to the top. Go to see the OK button. Okay, that is done. Task 1 mark completed. Then task 2. Project 2, task 2. Locate and replace all occurrences of heading 3 paragraph style with the heading 2 paragraph style. Locate and replace all occurrences of heading 3 paragraph style with heading 2 paragraph style. Okay, so to do this, you go to the Home tab, and in the Styles group, you have the style. Just click on the Styles group, click on this More, to display heading 3. So heading 3, you just right click on heading 3. So select all. Okay, select all. Select all. Okay, all 2 instances. All 2 instances. Okay, just select this again. Then can now go to heading 2. Right click. Just click on heading 2. Okay. So that is apply. Replace all occurrence of the heading 3 paragraph style with heading 2 paragraph style. Okay, that is done. Now task 2 mark completed. And task 3. Disable automatic hyphenation for this document. Disable automatic hyphenation for this document. Okay, to do this, you select the Home tab, then paragraph group, you select the paragraph dialog box launcher, and okay, let's dock this to the bottom. Go to see. Okay, so indent space line and paragraph, line and page breaks, you have don't hyphenate. Disable automatic hyphenation for this document. Don't hyphenate. Okay, so you can just press the enter key to close the dialog box. Okay, that is done. Task 3 mark complete. Now task 4. At the bottom of the last page, in the empty line below Coco Cafe and above the telephone number, inside the address block field, accept all default settings. At the bottom of the last page, in the empty line below Coco Cafe and above the telephone number, insert the address block field, accept all default settings. Okay, to do this, just scroll down to the space in between the Coco Cafe and the telephone number. Okay, so you click on the Insert tab, then in the text group, you select Quick Path and select Field. Okay, then right here, you select address block. Okay, here you type as okay, address block, I select address block and select OK. That is inserted now. Okay, task 4 mark completed. Now task 5. Add email to the quick access toolbar. Add email to the quick access toolbar. We go to the quick access toolbar, the customize quick access toolbar. Here, just select it, then select email. You can see email is added to the quick access toolbar above the ribbon. Okay, so task 5, mark completed. Okay, so grade project. Correct.